playing Pocket Love. This is my mom actually downloaded it, but we'll do that. So my skin color was gonna be this. I'm gonna do that. I know my style looks like this because I don't have any ponytail, but I'm gonna do that or do this. I'm just gonna do that. Then let's name. And look, I add the Infinity Smoothie Mariano check. Okay. How does the love of your life look? Okay, so we're back now. So I'm just gonna do this. How can you do hair? I see. You gotta do the hair brown. Like this. And skin color. Oh my god, that's so cute. Pocket Love Mommy. So it's Mommy. And okay. Look at the carpet! Yes! Oh, this is white just like Sugar. I'm gonna name it Sugar. Well, I'm not just using this because it's not brownish. And I don't like the dog. I'm just gonna name it. Willow. Willow. So I name it her. I name our cat Willow. Your pet? Yes. Now let's see. See, that's me and that's the one. Finally here we are in our new house. A cozy place in a quiet neighborhood. I'm loving it already. Let's unpack. Okay, let's unpack this. What do we got? Keep. Okay, keep and keep. Kept them. Cool, let's move them around to make more space. Okay. There you go. So I was thinking we have a new place but old furniture. You know, we do have some leftover money. Let's order a new bed from Amazing. So we're gonna order a new bed. Let's go to Amazing. The Amazing store really has all the furniture. Look all of this stuff. Okay, I heard there are new items every day too. Let's pick a bed for now. Okay. We're gonna just choose. I'm gonna use this. Bye. Now it's arriving in our home. Yes. Every nice pick, babe. Where should we put it? Let's go here to the moving furniture. We'll put it when it looks like there, that I put it in the right place. We can do that. Okay. Babe. There is a package outside. Let's go check it out. It must be our exclusive subscription box. Expect more cool gifts like this one. Okay, let's unlock it. A cat! A cat bed! Oh my gosh. Oh, we can place it everywhere. Oh, we can place it on our own eyes. Or we can rotate. I'm gonna do this or close to us. I'm gonna put it close to us. Close to us. Perfect. Oh, look at the fluff ball. Fluff ball that's love at first snap, huh? OMG cuteness overlord. I gotta snap a picture. Okay, we're gonna snap a picture. Oh my god, look at Willow. Oh my god, so cute. Sleeping in bed. Sleeping in cat bed. Check. Sleeping in cat bed. So we put that sleeping in cat bed. Oh my god, such cutie. I'm so hyped with all the moving. Sniff, sniffs. I can smell my N2. What does it mean? I feel you. I'm also very sweaty after the moving. I think we're better with clean clothes. Let's treat ourselves to some new clothes from the store. Okay, now let's go here. Check out the awesome selection. Oh, what is the special surprise? Special surprise, babe. Should we check it out? That is so tiny. Let's just use 3. What do we get? Creepy casual. Wait, how can I click? Okay, I'm just gonna skip it. Oh, we can use this for changing. Look, here we can change our clothes and get new hairstyles. Let's get clothes and get new hairstyles. That's so cute. Oh my god. Pocket Love is a game that's all about adorable decorations and sharing those decorations with the world. Visit the amazing store to buy furniture and customize your home. Oh my god, that would be so cute. So it's the daily award. Claim. Okay, let's go here into the package. What do we have? So cute, it feels. Oh yeah, lace. We could place it somewhere. Oh, we can place it in our bed there. So if our feet is dirty, we can actually put the slippers in the carpet. I'll just say okay. Oh yeah. Before that, I'm gonna change my suit on. I'm gonna use this because I love it. It's so cute. Oh, that's gonna be so cutie. Oh, Pote just like Hello Kitty. Oh my gosh. Oh, I definitely need Mariam. Oh, we could choose her skin. Only one. It's only one. Random vanilla item. Oh, there's a random item. Oh, we need to watch ads in that. Oh, there's more. More hats. Oh my god. Oh my god. A cucumber pickle. Let's start. I should text my folks. Oh, we could switch. That is. so cool. Oh, if we kill the spiders, if we kill them, oh, if we kill the insects, it'll get us some more stuff. Oh, we can get so much money. Can you spot anything? I'm just gonna look over. I'm just gonna tap everything and see if they got it. Okay. Oh, and buy new room. Before that, I'm gonna buy our new room. I just pressed the sign right here. It says new home. But it says we need to buy only $10. 10 money, but we still have 6. And we got 320 coins already. Here's a life hack. I read online. Keep it. Go on. There's a calendar. Okay, so we need to change our floor. So we have to-do list. So we open some boxes. We need that for our chores to-do list. So it says change your floor. Remove some furniture. Open some boxes. So, if we're in the second level, oh my god, that would be so cute. All of them are so good. So this is a level. So this is a level right here. This is better than Adorable Home. Can we tap our cat room? I give you cuddles if you didn't run away every time. So I'm gonna give him cuddles if he didn't run away. If he didn't run away every time. I always love pets. What are you doing? Stop it. Wait, can you, oh, I didn't know you can zoom. Oh my god, look at our faces. Oh my gosh, look at our faces. Wait, can we touch our plants? Can we touch our furniture? So let's just see. A new couch. Oh, a new cat. A new cat thing to get. Is there any beds? Oh, and there's some floor. In the door, yay. Oh yeah, it's starting now. Okay, now I need it. Oh, so we got more. So 2 out of 3. Before that, let me just put this right here. Oh, not this. I need to. Okay. Oh, this is a timer. Oh my god, the cute delivery. Can I interest you in some magazine ad for a word? Some other day. Oh, no problem. Oh, no problemo. Wait, what's this? Some windy stuff. What's this? Is our house getting grabbed too many chairs in storage? Not selling anything. Not selling, not selling anything. Is this daily reward? Oh, we could play games. That would be so good. It says play games. Okay, so this is adorable home. Okay, so we have some games. So we install adorable home now. But my mom actually installed Pocket Love. Wait, what's this here? Oh, cute decorations. Oh my god, there's so more surprises in Love. We need to go to Amazing. Let's go to Amazing. I'm gonna do on $35 of yellow lamp. Bye. Now it's open place. Perfect. I'm moving. Oh my god, look at Cutie, she's moving. So I will now purr on top of my human, something we both enjoy. Oh my god, Willow can talk. Such cutie. Oh my gosh. I need to go down. So you say farted. And now it's 6 seconds to go. What happens if we say chicken style? Oh, there's some things. Oh, we definitely need to click this. We need to click that. How many we can click to get more stuff? Sorry guys, don't mind this. Willow can actually talk. But I'm not gonna say sugar because we not. Wait. I thought it was like some new stuff. Oh, I don't know if you could do that. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, 5 seconds. Okay, I'll let you guys wait for it. Guys, it's taking a long time and it's literally 3 seconds. But we're just gonna wait right here. I'm checking in a whole new room. So we'll just wait more. So guys, now it's already now. Let's see what's inside. Painting and decorations. Oh my god, let's just do this. Painting right here. Then now, oh yeah. Okay, we can actually zoom. Now it's done. Claim award. To the list. Open some boxes. It says change your floor. So now I have the to-do list. It's complete 3 to get a special award. Which one? Oh my god, I'm changing my way. Let's go to Amazing Shop. Let's see what's more stuff. So it's expensive, so I'm just gonna do the. It's not expensive. It's this one. Now place some stuff. Okay, now it's done. So bye guys.